Okay, this is the same thing, just without a picture. Okay, and so what is going to be, we have these three sides, 6, 5, and 10. So what's going to be our c squared? Yeah, 10. So you got 6 squared plus 5 squared equals 10 squared. Okay, well 6 squared is 36, plus 5 squared is 25, and 10 squared is 100. Okay, well what is 36 plus 25? It's going to be 61. Does 61 equal 100? No, so this is not a right triangle. Okay. Okay, let's look at 11. I got three sides, 9, 12, and 17. What's going to be our C? Yeah, 17. So I got 9 squared plus 12 squared equals 17 squared. Okay, well 9 squared is 81. 12 squared is 144. 17 squared is something. 289. Okay, and so I need to figure out, well, what is 81 plus 144? Okay, it's 225. Does 225 equal 289? No, so this is not a right triangle. Okay. Got two more. Okay, I got 6, 8, and 10. So what's going to be our c squared? Well, our longest side is going to be 10, so that's got to be our c. So you're going to have 6 squared plus 8 squared equals 10 squared. Well, 6 squared is 36, 8 squared is 64, and 10 squared is 100. Okay, what is 36 plus 64? It's 100. Equals, so does 100 equal 100? Yes. Okay, and this one is a really good, so when we talked about that Pythagorean theorem, and we did it with the Cheez-Its, okay, if you have this triangle, this is saying that this side is 6, this side is 8, this side is 10, and we drew those squares on each side. Okay, and so we know that this one is 36, and this side is 64, and this side is 100. We learned that the sum of the squares add up to the biggest one. So this 36 plus the 64 adds up to 100. Okay, but I want you to think, if we looked at just the legs without squaring them, is that true? Okay, well what is 6 plus 8? It's 14. And so this side is actually 10. It's not 14. And so you cannot do it with the legs. You can't say 6 plus 8, that gave me 10. Because it doesn't work like that. You have to square the sides in order for it to work out, okay? And so that's a very important part of that Pythagorean theorem proof, okay? And don't ask me how that guy figured it out. He had too much time on his hands. And then last one. So 15. I think it's the last one. I don't really know. Yeah, it is. Okay, 15. We got 5, 12, and 16. What's going to be our C? Yeah, it's going to be 16. So you're going to have 5 squared plus 12 squared equals 16 squared. Okay, well 5 squared is 25. 12 squared is 144. 16 squared is 256. Okay, and so we have to ask ourselves, well, what is 25 plus, let's just say plus 144? That is 169. Does 169 equal 256? No, so this is not a right triangle. Okay, I want you guys to go through and do all of the even ones, and then you can put your paper in the box, and I'll get them sometime this week. And then go through, if you have not done so already, it sounds not nice, but at least do my e-learning, okay? If you have not done everybody's, then I would suggest do everybody's, but at least do mine. It's the same as last time, so if you haven't done last week's, do that. all you gotta do is write down your current grade and if you have any missing assignments, okay? It'll take you 5 seconds to get that submitted. The one from last week is due tomorrow, well, so probably Wednesday. So make sure that you get that done so you can get counted for not only just attendance but for the grade part as well. Hopefully I see you guys soon. If you need me, message me on Canvas or on Remind, and I will talk to you guys soon.